we've been having regular meetings with the regulatory, with the Division of Neurology and Janet Woodcock. And so what we said to them in the meeting in the summer was, have you read the EMA guidance? And they said, yes, they had. And we said, well, sort of, what did you think? And they said, well, we operate differently than the EMA, but we certainly were interested in it. And so I first asked Janet Woodcock, well, since you've read it, could we recreate that London meeting so that we try to harmonize at least the information so that you're up to date scientifically with those particular areas? And she said, we'd be willing for you to recreate that meeting. I said, would you think about after the meeting writing a guidance? And she said, we won't write it because there are 7,000 rare diseases. It's really tedious. We have a lot to do, which they do, and to be fair, we want them to review drugs and approve them, right? That's what we want to do when they meet their bar of safety and efficacy. So what we said is, she said, the community could write guidance. We'd be willing to review it. And so, that was a little bit of a surprise. It wasn't unheard of because there are guidances out there written by other disease communities. I haven't seen many in rare disease, certainly not rare pediatric disease. But when she said that, I thought, we have a very strong community. We have people who are deeply passionate about Duchenne muscular dystrophy. If they're willing to help be the tour guide through this and comment along the way, maybe we could get draft guidance that would be positively reviewed. It would integrated in the review process, and maybe others in the rare disease community could see how we methodically looked at different areas. Those developed a steering committee, developed a working group, really engaged the entire community in an advisory committee, really involved the entire community, had state-of-the-art science. We're going to publish this as well, and really think about this is a proactive way to inform the FDA, to help them be confident of being flexible in a review process, and from our perspective, getting drugs to the people who need them.